Hello everyone over there at Supreme Remodeling. My name is Charles Marini. I am with Warley Digital. It's a small company I started, trying to help small businesses like yourselves attract more clients organically without having to pay more and more for ads. We know places like sites like Angie's List have you paying for leads and then fighting over them between 5 or more contractors. And my reasoning is, why not build on your own asset and attract clients organically to you? I'm also doing this because I realize business owners are not well versed in this, not that many, and don't have the time to actually build their own asset, and they can't fully get the potential of their websites. And why does this make sense? It makes sense because these days about 90% of adults use Google to search for local businesses if they don't have a specific name in mind. 70% of those search on the front page. So for example, if I was looking for a bathroom remodel in Long Beach, 70% of people would click on this very first page. So if you're not here, it's a lot of business you're missing out on. So without wasting any more of your time or mine, let me get started. The 3 things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with the front page, everything I've highlighted, all the text, pictures, what the pictures are saved as. For example, here we go. This Yelp is saved as Yelp full color. Google will read that text, and it's more advisable to save it under a keyword. For example, bathroom remodel Los Angeles Yelp. So Google optimizes to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your website, showing who you, by authoritative I mean showing who you are, what you do, and also including these keywords that people search for when looking for your business, so that Google knows to put you in front of them. I did a quick analyzing of your website, and I could tell there were about how many were there here? About 1,056 words. Boiling down to what Google reads as 744. So it would be important to increase the number of words on your website and include keywords. Keywords meaning words that people would search for. For example, let me see here. Let me look for a keyword that's on your site. Well, I guess interior flooring is a keyword, or a keyword would be something people are searching for. Homeowners in Los Angeles would be a keyword, or general contractor based in Los Angeles. This is why it's important. If, say, I search for bathroom remodel Long Beach, first thing I'll see here is the map pack, and we'll talk about that in a second. And then the organic listings. Now, this is one of your top competitors when someone searches here. The 1 week bath ends up top. I have a tool called Ahrefs, and with it, I can be able to search, to analyze different websites. And before we go to your website, I want to just quickly analyze 1 week bath, your competitor's website, and just to look at the keywords. For example, I'll give you. Let's look at this one keyword I search for: bathroom remodel Long Beach. About 200 people search for it every day, and they get 29 of those clicks going to their website. So it would be important, and then we can analyze just that one keyword and see which websites get more traffic. So like we said, they get 29. Your other competitors here, Reborn Cabinets, get 36 people per month. And let's see, where are you guys? Here you are, Supreme Remodeling, and you get 6 people going to your website because of that keyword. So it would be important to rank higher and grab some of this traffic. I'm sure if you get 50 more people coming to your website just because of that one keyword, that would help. Now that's just one keyword. What we can do is that we can analyze your competitors' keywords and find which ones draw the most traffic. For example, Los Angeles bathroom remodel, 800 people look for that every month. They get 94 people clicking on their website because of that, because they're in 3rd position. So if we build on your content, your citations, your backlinks, we'll be able to rank higher and grab more volume going to your website. If 94 people click on their website and maybe the conversion rate is 50%, it means you have about 45 people actually becoming their clients, giving them a call to become their clients. So it's important to rank higher for different keywords. All right, so that's with content. Next thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations have everything to do with this map pack area here. As you can see, there's an ad here, but there are usually 3 organic results under the map pack. And then if you hit view all, you'll see a lot more. Now, how to get to this front page has all to do with citations. Citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the internet. So, for example, in Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yext, Dexnose, Yellow Pages, whitepages.com, the Better Business Bureau, etc. The more authoritative directories your business is listed in, the better you'll do in this map pack area. So there are different tools online that you can put in your competitor's business and find out the citations they're in. Make sure you match them. Not only that, make sure you go over and above, beat them by 50 or more so that you remain on top of them and it's very hard to catch up with you. So you stay on top of here and more clients will start clicking on your website. And basically you'll get more calls because of this. Third section I want to talk about is this section under here called the organic listing section. Now, this has a lot to do with the backlinks of your website. Now, what are backlinks? If you think of the internet as a collection of web pages or links together, a backlink is wherever your website is linked to on a different web page. For example, if there's a forum or for bathroom remodelers in Southern California, they write up a blog and have a link going to your site, that would be considered a backlink. Now, Google can tell the strength of different backlinks. For example, if it's a Pizza Hut linking to your site, that has nothing to do, those are 2 different separate niches, and Google will consider that backlink spammy, as opposed to a forum on bathroom remodelers. That would be a stronger backlink. So, and once again, analyzing your competitor 1 week back, oneweekbath.com. They, looking at their backlinks, they have quite a bit of backlinks, but like I said, not all backlinks are the same. So if you look at the strength of the backlinks from 0 to 100, most of their backlinks are in this 0 to 10 range. Now, it's not hard to beat backlinks. It does take time, because what we would have to do is look at their backlink profile, look at the different kind of links that they have. A lot of them are just directories that they're in, and try and match them and get higher quality, not only match but beat them. Now, coming back to your website, I want to analyze your backlinks here in this tool, and you can see that you do not have as many backlinks. Here, let's get an overall view. However, there's a higher percentage of your backlinks that's better quality than your competitors. Now, what this would mean we just continue building on your backlinks, getting higher quality. You may not need the 3,000 that your competitor has to beat them. What you do need are higher quality backlinks and more of them. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about. I wanted to talk about citations, content, and backlinks. Building your backlink profile, building your citations, improving your content will help you capture a lot more organic traffic coming to your website. Therefore, that would mean more calls, and more clients to close. So, like I said earlier, you can give these tips to your website or SEO person. If you want to save time and work with me, if you enjoy what I've given you and you think I may have more tricks up my sleeve, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. Once again, I'm Charles from Warley Digital, and thank you very much. I hope you have a great weekend.